we're out in the streets of Durrës here, the second biggest city of Albania, and this one is at the seaside. Look at that, the sun is burning, it's reflecting in the Mediterranean Sea. And look at that, guys, everyone is here at the beach tanning. It's absolutely beautiful. Most of the beaches are private here though. Like this is private, there's private as well. Only this little stretch here. Seems like that's the only part where you can freely go. And my hotel is not at the beach, it's actually in one of these buildings here, which means we don't have direct beach access. But we can come to this little part here. That's the Vertigo restaurant, that's all the way up there at the top. And this is my hotel, where I'm staying at the 6th floor on the other side of the building. I walked a bit further along the coastline and we came to this very nice area. We have some very trendy bars here all around. This area definitely looks more fancy. We have all the people here laying at the beach. And we have the steps here, which seems to be used for some kind of performances. We have all the sitting bags. And I guess this here is the stage. We have some statues here as well. And this hotel is not finished yet. Doesn't look like they will finish it anytime soon. Let's go up the stairs here. Up. People are swimming here. Wow. I should have taken my swimming pants. I really feel like diving in here now. It looks really nice. Looks like they put so many things on this little stretch here. So many people. And here the other side, that's toward the center of Durres. You can see in the back there is a huge port. They also have ferries to Italy here. Let's walk down here, guys, carefully. We have a man fishing here. This is the Mediterranean Sea. Further there is Italy. I'm not sure if you can sometimes see it from here because it's quite a distance, but if you look on the map, I think here it's one of the closest points. It's the smallest distance between the two mainlands. Some people are arriving here to make some wedding pictures. Looks really beautiful. So I guess this is one of the main spots to make beautiful pictures here in Durres. But we're not here for making pictures, we are here to explore the city. So we're gonna leave this beautiful area, the beach side, and we're gonna continue here along the seaside to see what more is there in Durres.